Many gardeners face the challenge of hard, compacted soil. This makes it difficult for roots to grow. It also hinders water drainage. But there's a solution: no-dig gardening. This method helps you create a thriving vegetable garden. You can do this even with poor soil conditions. No-dig gardening is simple and effective. Traditional gardening involves digging and tilling. This can disrupt the soil structure. It can also harm beneficial organisms. No-dig gardening takes a different approach. It focuses on building healthy soil from the top down. This method minimizes soil disturbance. This creates a hospitable environment for plants to thrive. No-dig gardening offers many benefits for both novice and experienced gardeners. It's an easier way to get started with gardening. It also reduces the physical strain of traditional digging. This makes gardening accessible to people of all abilities. So let's explore how you can transform your hard soil into a productive vegetable garden. No-dig gardening is exactly what it sounds like. It's a method of gardening where you don't dig the soil. Instead, you create layers of organic matter on top of the existing soil. This mimics the natural process of decomposition. Over time, these layers break down. This creates a rich, fertile soil that is perfect for growing vegetables. The key principle of no-dig is to work with nature, not against it. By avoiding digging, you preserve the natural soil structure. This structure is essential for good drainage and aeration. It also provides a habitat for beneficial soil organisms. These organisms play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter. This releases nutrients that plants need to grow. No-dig gardening embraces the power of decomposition. As you layer organic materials, you create a thriving ecosystem. This ecosystem is full of microorganisms, fungi, and earthworms. These organisms break down the organic matter. This turns it into nutrients that plants can easily absorb. This gentle approach to gardening offers many advantages. It improves soil fertility naturally. It promotes a healthy balance of soil organisms. It also reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. No-dig gardening is a sustainable and rewarding way to grow your own food. Building a no-dig garden requires a few simple materials. These materials are all readily available and often inexpensive. Cardboard forms the base layer, smothering weeds and retaining moisture. Compost is the heart, providing essential nutrients. Straw insulates the soil and prevents weed growth. Mulch retains moisture and adds a finished look. Layering these materials creates a thriving ecosystem for your vegetables. Building your no-dig garden bed, a step-by-step guide. Creating a no-dig garden bed is simple. Step 1, mark your bed. Decide on the size and location. Mark the area with string or a hose. Step 2, prepare the area. Remove large rocks or debris. No need to till the soil. Step 3, lay down cardboard. Cover the area with overlapping cardboard. Wet the cardboard thoroughly. Step 4, add compost. Spread a thick layer of compost. Step 5, add straw. Cover the compost with straw. Step 6, apply mulch. Add a layer of mulch. Step 7, water well. Water deeply and thoroughly. Your no-dig garden bed is ready for planting. Plant directly into the compost layer. You can also create raised beds. This is great for areas with poor drainage. Reaping the rewards. Long-term benefits of no-dig gardening. No-dig gardening offers numerous long-term benefits for both your garden and the environment. Some of the key advantages include improved soil health. No-dig gardening promotes the development of healthy, fertile soil. The layers of organic matter break down. This improves soil structure, drainage, and aeration. It also increases the population of beneficial soil organisms. Erosion prevention. The layers of organic matter in a no-dig garden act as a natural sponge. They absorb water and hold it in place. This reduces soil erosion and runoff. This is especially beneficial in areas with heavy rainfall or slopes. Low maintenance. Once established, no-dig gardens are relatively low maintenance. The thick layers of mulch suppress weed growth. This reduces the need for weeding. The compost provides a slow release of nutrients. This minimizes the need for chemical fertilizers. Water conservation. No-dig gardens are excellent at conserving water. The organic matter in the soil acts like a sponge. This sponge absorbs and retains water. This reduces the frequency of watering. It also promotes deep root growth. Deep roots are more resilient during dry periods. Sustainable gardening. No-dig gardening aligns with sustainable gardening practices. It minimizes soil disturbance. It reduces the need for chemical inputs. It promotes biodiversity. It contributes to a healthier environment. Planting and caring for your no-dig garden. Simple steps for success. Planting in your no-dig garden is easy. Direct sowing. You can directly sow seeds into the compost layer of your no-dig bed. Make sure to follow the recommended spacing guidelines on seed packets. Transplanting. If you're starting with seedlings, gently transplant them into the compost layer. Water them well to reduce transplant shock. Maintaining your no-dig garden is simple. Watering. Water your no-dig garden deeply and regularly. The frequency of watering will depend on your climate and the types of plants you are growing. Layer replenishment. Over time, the layers in your no-dig bed will decompose. Replenish the compost and mulch layers annually. This ensures continued soil fertility and weed suppression. Plant support. Provide support for tall or vining plants. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to keep your plants upright and prevent them from sprawling. Pest and disease control. Monitor your plants regularly for signs of pests or diseases. Use organic methods of pest control whenever possible. This helps to maintain a healthy ecosystem in your garden. Embrace the no-dig revolution, a sustainable path to a thriving garden. No-dig gardening is an effective and rewarding way to grow your own food. It's a gentle approach that works in harmony with nature. It produces fantastic results. It's suitable for gardeners of all levels. By embracing the principles of no-dig, you can transform even the most compacted soil into a fertile and productive garden. You'll be amazed at the abundance of vegetables you can grow. You'll also enjoy the satisfaction of working with nature to create a thriving ecosystem in your own backyard. So why not give no-dig gardening a try? It's a simple, sustainable, and effective way to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Start building your own no-dig garden today.